Hi. Hey guys, so I'm filming this look. I was going to a 90s concert with Aqua, Prozzak, S Club, Right Said Fred, and Vengaboys. It was a lot of fun. I wanted to film this video because it's something out of the ordinary for me. I did one eyeshadow. I used Minty by Jeffree Star in the Blue Blood palette. I used that. I spread that all over the lid with my finger because I wanted the most saturation of pigment there. And then I blended it out with product on the brush in my crease. I did also use an inner corner highlight. However, I don't really consider that another eyeshadow, although it was. Like, I still think this is a one eyeshadow type look. Anyway. And the inner corner one was Cullinan. I just put that in the inner corner. I didn't touch it. I didn't extend it out. I'm using my face powder there on the brow bone. And then I'm using my NYX Oil Primer, going in with the Catrice concealer. And then blending that out. And then I did use, once again, the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation. And some nude eyeliner. Nude, like my color nude, like beige. Then I'm just going to spread that foundation all over. And you'll see me blending it in. I do also have the Too Faced lip injection on my lips if you're wondering why they're red. I'm thinking of doing a video showing like a time lapse of Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. I really like it. It's one of my favorite products for the lips. Because as you can tell, I do like a big lip. And then I go in with a lighter foundation under the eyes. A lighter powder under the eyes, which was MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation, and the Coty Airspun. I did use as well the Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Palette Volume 2. And for bronzer, I used the Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation NW40. By MAC. And for highlight, I use my usual Danessa Myricks, but I did right here lay down some of Jeffree Star's Supreme Frost. I used Wet Dream and then Snow Globe. And honestly, I'm going to do a full review on these. I don't get them. I don't understand it. I don't get the absolutely beautiful shine that I've seen in some videos, because I looked at how to apply them. I looked at recommendations. You know, I've seen apply them with a fan brush, apply them with your finger, apply them with a sponge. I've seen all these options, and they don't give that payoff that you would expect. So I just think I'm going to do a video on them. Hopefully someone can help me. If you guys have any recommendations, I've tried fan brush, highlighter brush, finger, sponge. I've tried it damp. I didn't really know what else to do, so. And then I just put the liner on. I didn't want to do anything crazy. This was just to blend in the lashes. And then I do the lip. The lip is 714 with Thirst Trap on top. I wanted a frosty 90s lip with a blue eye. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching my video. It really does, from the bottom of my heart, mean more to me than I can ever describe to you. Thank you so much, and have a great day. Bye.